Hello guys and welcome to Chainewz, your number one YouTube channel for everything crypto related. If you're looking for news, tidbits, current happenings in the crypto space, then we've got you covered. My name is Abdullah Gideon and I'll be your host for today. And in today's video, we have a very huge announcement for you guys, especially those of you in Nigeria. Please, you don't want to miss this. Alright, but before we go ahead, we want to ask you to like this video, to subscribe, and know that little notification bell guy, yes, turn it on, so that anytime we drop videos, you'll be aware of new content that we have for you. So, Nigeria people, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. So like we said, for people in Nigeria especially, we have a very huge update for you. And this is it. The AfricaStableCoinConsortium, ASC, has received a green light to pilot what you call the cNGN, the compliant Nigerian Naira stablecoin. And I tell you, with this adoption, with this pilot that is being programmed, there is going to be a massive shift. There's going to be a massive shift in the financial industry in Nigeria. So for many of you who may not have heard of ASC, that is the AfricaStableCoinConsortium, they are affiliated with a lot of renowned financial institutions. ASC is dedicated to improving secure and compliant financial interactions, which will revolutionize the way individuals transact and connect with their money in a secure and frictionless manner. Yes, ASC has been around for some time, and I tell you, these guys, they are solid. They are solid. I mean, they are here to change the landscape, especially with the introduction of this cNGN, the compliant Nigerian Naira stablecoin. All right. So one of the benefits of the blockchain world and cryptocurrency is that we are looking at financial mobility. All right. And with this cNGN, the compliant Nigerian Naira stablecoin, that has been brought right to our doorsteps. So the cNGN stablecoin, which is backed with ratio 1:1 by Naira reserves held in authorized commercial institutions, basically converts the Naira into a dynamic tool for global remittances, commerce, trade, and even investment. Alright, so just like you have the USDT, which is pegged to the US dollar 1:1, so also your cNGN is pegged to the Nigerian Naira ratio 1:1. And this opens up a lot of possibilities, international payments, remittances, trades, and investments. So with the cNGN, there is reduction in settlement delays, and payments are also allowed to travel around the world at the speed of a text message and at a fraction of the cost. And this possibility has opened up the way for rapid financial transactions, connecting Nigeria's economy to worldwide markets and providing unparalleled efficiency in both domestic and global financial dealing. So you can imagine a world where you have your Naira without borders, where you can explore the world with cNGN and experience a seamless and cost-effective way to engage with the world. Sending money home feels like sending a text message and SMS, which is practically effortless and instant. So no more agonizing delays, waiting for remittances to clear up. With the cNGN, you support your loved ones back home just by tapping your phone. It's as simple as that. Just a quick tap on your phone. So no need to stand in lines and queues. With the cNGN, funds land directly in their wallets within seconds, ready to fuel their dreams and to brighten their days. So the whole idea behind cNGN is we are looking at the future. We are building for a bigger and a brighter future. And there are 5 pillars that form the foundation of cNGN. The first pillar is reliability. cNGN enables confident global transactions, connecting seamlessly with major stablecoins and digital securities. The second pillar is innovation. Definitely, you get to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving digital financial landscape. So leveraging cNGN to expand your market and to appeal to a diverse customer base while streamlining your transactions. The third pillar here is security. Built on blockchain technology, ASC Stablecoins platform provides a secure digital payment financial market infrastructure. Number 4, transparency. cNGN offers full visibility and transparency into its Naira reserves, which backs it which fosters trust, confidence, and accountability on every single transaction made. Last pillar is scalability, and cNGN is built for growth with a robust infrastructure ready for widespread adoption and transactional efficiency. With cNGN, we are building a financial system that leverages technology to streamline transactions and enhance security for Nigeria. This move paves the way for further advancements in regulatory sandbox frameworks, APIs, and open banking. So why not partner with ASC, shape the future? The AfricaStableCoinConsortium envisions a future where digital assets complement your traditional finance, creating a robust, inclusive, and future-proof financial landscape for Nigeria. So in case you want to find out more, you can visit their website at ASC Africa, as you can see on your screen, to learn more about the cNGN stablecoin project and ASC. You can also contact them via mail at contact@asc.africa. And for the latest updates and insights, you can follow them on Medium, LinkedIn, Instagram, or X, formerly known as Twitter, with their various handles as displayed on the screen. Alright guys, Nigeria, this is a huge move, this is a huge investment, this is a huge step in the right direction. So why not partner with the ASC today and then join in their dream of shaping the future? Alright, thank you guys. I still remain your host, Abdullah Gideon, and see you in our next video. Bye.